Hi everybody, it's Indy Meets Disney.
Yeah, and we are here today checking out some beaches in the Tampa area, some that are less popular, but some great ones to help you beat those crazy crowds.
Yep, so come along with us and see some of those really interesting beaches in the Tampa area.
Yeah, let's go do this. All right, our first stop here on our journey brings us to Picnic Island Park.
Yeah, we're looking forward to finding out all the places they have. We've heard there are some beaches here, some dog beaches, lots of picnic tables, so we're looking forward to seeing what they have.
Yeah, this route is about 13 miles south of the airport, so very convenient if you're flying into town. This is part of the Tampa Parks and Recreation Department, so super excited to go check it out. Let's go do this. So scattered all around Picnic Island, they have all these great shelters that are available to use and rent. So they have several tables under them. There's even a grill that you can use, a nice size grill at that. They even have like a spigot with water there for you to use. And these can also be reserved. Right here, for example, this is 603, and it says to reserve this shelter. Just call that number and you can book this for your family or friends.
Picnic Island definitely gets their name from all the places you have to picnic. Here's another beautiful area with a picnic table sitting underneath those gorgeous palm trees.
Check out this cool location for a picnic here at Picnic Island. They got this picnic table hidden amongst these palm trees. Would make for an awesome location to have your next little gathering. Here at Picnic Island, there's also some really nice equipment for children to play on. So here's just one example of it. And then here's some swings over here to the side as well. Like I said, those are scattered all throughout the area.
And we mentioned that there are other playground equipment located around this beach area. So there's some more swings. There's a beautiful playground set, and I really like this one. So this one seems to be mostly accessible. So if you need to push a wheelchair up there, it looks like it's pretty much wheelchair accessible for quite a bit of it, which is awesome. And then to the right, they even have a sand volleyball court. Okay, here at Picnic Island Park, they also have this amazing 18-hole disc golf. So you can take your frisbee, take your official disc golf flipper. Is it flipper? Flyer? I don't know what it's called. But you can play disc golf, and it goes in and out among this really, really large park. So you're able to go in through the beautiful wood areas, along the water, and so it just kind of goes all throughout. But it would definitely make a really fun thing to do with your family for the day or your friends for the day. And seriously, who wouldn't want to play frisbee golf, disc golf, with beautiful views like this? Oh my gosh.
So all throughout Picnic Island as well, you'll find these doggy pots. So they are bags to clean up after your dog. So it's very nice that you can find them all over the place. So here at Picnic Island, we're also noticing you got your fountain here. So they have a tall one for adults, a little one for kids, and then we don't want to forget Fido. We also have a small one here for Fido. So that's pretty cool. And then scattered throughout Picnic Island, there are 3 restroom facilities. So that's very nice. I took a peek inside. They seem to be very clean, well kept. So that's nice. And then over here to the side of it as well, there is a shower, kind of to rinse off and stuff after you get out of the water. So that's very nice. All right, here's a look at my lovely ladies. But here's also a look at the beach area. So it does expand quite a ways down. It's probably not the most soft white velvety sand that you would probably build castles and stuff in, but it is a nice big area and a nice entry into the water to cool off and relax and have a good time here at Picnic Beach, or Picnic Island Beach. So we did want to point this out here at the beach. It does say no dogs on beach. So this is a no dogs area, but they do have a section that is dogs allowed, and we will show you that to you here in just a second.
As we mentioned, they have an area just for dogs. You can see this gated area, which extends pretty far, is entirely for doggies and their families. So it's the area when you first walk in for them to be able to rinse themselves off, or as you're leaving for them to rinse themselves off. And then they've got this beautiful area, super sandy beach, for the doggies to be able to play in the water and in the sand.
So I'm going to point out this boat ramp that they have here. So if you had a boat you'd like to drop in, you can do that for free. Also, this cool little pier they have, you can go and fish off that. And down at the end they even have some seats so you can take a load off and fish down there as well. All right, we just headed out of Picnic Island Park. Had a great time over there, saw a lot of awesome things.
And now we are headed to Cypress Point Park to check it out and see what they have to offer.
Yeah, this park is located about 5 miles south of the airlines. So we're going to see what great things they have. Let's head in. Here at Cypress Point Park, they also have a disc golf course. And it looks very challenging as well. It's also 18 holes. And here's just kind of look at the map. As you can kind of see the different feet that each course is and the par that each course is, and it looks like a lot of fun and a nice challenge for anybody wanting to come out and have a little fun and a little exercise at the same time.
They have a waterside playground here, so lots of places for your kiddo to be able to climb on, and that nice foam pad underneath so in case they fall they don't get too hurt.
So they have this really cool trail here. It starts right over here at Cypress Point Park where we are, and it will take you all the way, if you follow the whole thing, all the way over to Clearwater or Pinellas County. So really neat that they offer that for those that want to kind of get in some shape and kind of enjoy the scenery of Tampa Bay.
And we're standing on that trail that we just showed you that starts here at this Cypress Point Park and goes all the way to Pinellas County. And you can also watch the planes land here at the Tampa airport since we're so close to the airport. It's kind of a cool thing to see the planes go right over your head. Okay, they also have several picnic pavilions around and about this place as well. And it looks like each of them are available to be rented out. There are grills near each of them. There's picnic tables underneath. There's also this little grilling station over here as well.
So here's a look at the restrooms at Cypress Point. So there's a men's and a women's. They're on each end. They are just a one-person restroom. And then right in the middle there's a family restroom and a family changing room. And those are also one-person rooms as well, and they all have locks on the door. I took a peek inside and they're all very nice and very clean. So here at Cypress Point, just outside the restrooms, they do have 2 showers available for you. So they have a traditional regular size shower, and they also have, which is really nice, a smaller size shower that is handicap accessible for those that are in need. So this is fantastic. And like I said, just outside the restrooms here at Cypress Point. And here's just a nice look at the beach area. It's a very long, very full beach area. You can easily set up some chairs here and have a great time. You know, it doesn't have that nice fluffy white sand like you would think at some beaches, kind of like we saw over at Picnic Island where it was kind of the same rocky terrain. But you could easily, like I said, set up some chairs, enjoy some time, just dive in the water, getting cool, and the hot Florida sun, like I said, is very, very long beach area, so there's plenty of space for everybody to spread out here. They got some trash cans laid out for you to put all your garbage into, and then there's a nice little pier that extends out as well for some fishing. Alright, so we've left our second park, Cypress Point, and we have now made it to our third beach.
So we're here at Ben T. Davis Beach, and we're going to give it a try, see what kind of amenities they have to offer. Alright,
let's go do this. Alright, so the first thing I want to point out here at Ben T. Davis, so they have a concession stand. So it looks like they have some really great stuff. So they have some fruit cups, fruit slushes, some pineapple cups or boats, which look really intriguing. Cuban sandwiches even they offer, some sorbets, different beverages. I even noticed as I was walking up tamales. So awesome, great stuff. Looks fairly reasonable on prices. And we've noticed this open being several different times throughout the day, mostly on weekends I think. But it looks like some great options here while you're relaxing at the beach.
There are restrooms available on each side, so if you go this direction from the concession stand, you'll find family restrooms. They're kind of nice, they're nice large sizes. They actually have seats for your family to be able to sit in, or if you put your stuff in while kids are changing. And then if you go this direction towards the water, they have men's and women's restrooms as well. They're just single restrooms, but there's actually little seats inside of those as well, which is kind of a nice feature.
So here's just a look inside that family restroom. So there's a nice size seat in here for changing here at the beach, so you don't have to go home in your soggy clothes And then, like I said, it's just a single family restroom, but it's fairly clean, so that's a nice option you have here when at the park to change your clothes. Okay, did want to point out here at Ben T. Davis Park that they do have some shelters with some tables under them and a small grill as well. If you want to bring some food over and have a good time while at the beach. Here at Ben T. Davis Beach, they do have some showers around as well, so you can wash yourself off after getting into the ocean. Wash all that salt off before you go and change your clothes. So unlike our other two parks, beaches that we've looked at today, Ben T. Davis Beach is a paid beach, so you'll need to come to this machine and you'll need your license plate number, and you'll put that in and you'll pay for your parking. It won't break the bank though. It's only 55 cents an hour, so not expensive at all to park here at Ben T. Davis Beach. Alright, so here's a look at the beach area at Ben T. Davis Park. It's a pretty nice beach area, a little smaller than the other two parks that we were looking at earlier. It is a little nicer, like fluffier sand than the other two, not as rocky. So better for building those sand castles if you got some littler ones. There's down there towards the end a volleyball net as well if you want to bring your ball and have some fun playing some volleyball. But all in all, very nice little area. Bring your beach chairs and have a good time hanging out here on the beach and taking a dip in the water. All right, so future Cedric and Katie here. We noticed we forgot to do a closing video of our best Tampa Bay beaches, and we just wanted to wrap that video up here now. It started to get really rainy, and we just kind of in a hurry to get out of the beaches. So let's talk about some closing thoughts of those beaches.
Yeah, so we really enjoyed all three of those beaches. Future Cedric and Katie here have actually been back to one or two of those beaches since then. There's great picturesque places. Sorry for our climbing baby. There's great picturesque places to be able to go. Lots of places to take pictures, beautiful places for sunsets, lots of activities and things to do at those places. So we're grateful that we get to stop by at them.
Yeah, I agree 100%. They're such fantastic beaches, so many great offerings. Highly recommend that you stop by, check them out, and enjoy them with your family if you get a chance if you're in the Tampa Bay area.
Yeah, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, we will
see you real soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.